Hey everyone, today I will discuss an SEO case study for local lead generation website. That website name is Microwave Repair Stockton CA. Okay, so I'll break down how to build this project and how I got ranked within few months. Okay, so let me explain. This is local lead generation website focused on microwave repair service in Stockton CA. The goal was very simple: to drive organic traffic, rank for local service keyword, and ultimately convert that traffic to leads. Okay, so what did I do for this project? At first, step 1: keyword research, on page optimization, content creation, build backlinks. Okay, so lastly, result achieved. Okay, first step, keyword research. The first step was deep keyword research. I used tools for keyword research, SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Search Keyword to find the most relevant local keywords. Okay, so for example, like microwave repair Stockton, microwave repair Stockton CA, affiliates repair Stockton, and microwave repair fix near me. Okay, so all keyword high value for this niche. And second step is on-page optimization. At first, I optimize meta title. Use main keyword in meta title. Okay, and second, meta description. Just I used naturally main keyword in meta description. And third, header tags. I used main keyword h1 and LSA keyword. I used h2 and h3 tags. Okay, so I use primary and secondary keywords naturally throughout the content, and I use internal linking. I used internal linking, and I link of other service pages. Okay, image optimization. All images are SEO optimized with geotag, and I used image alt text and compressed all images for this website. Schema markup. I used local schema markup code for this website. This is the schema code I used in this website. So okay, step 3, content creation. I created high quality localized content for both homepage and service pages, and I optimized keyword within the homepage content and the service page content. I created 3 service pages targeting different micro service niches, and the homepage is already ranked on the first page of Google, and the targeted service pages are gradually improve ranking. Okay. Step 5: building backlinks. Okay, to further boost ranking, at first I created foundational links such as citations, profile backlinks, Web 2.0, okay, social profile creation, and build social signals. After creating the links, I submitted them using indexation tool to get indexed on Google. Lastly, result achieved. Now let's talk about the results. After implementing this strategy, the website ranking improved. I hit the first rank on Google for this keyword, microwave repair Stockton CA. Okay, and microwave repair Stockton. Organic traffic and lead generating increased significantly. So as you can see, I'm getting traffic for this keyword, microwave repair Stockton CA and microwave repair Stockton, another keyword. Okay, this case study very simple, and if you want to see more breakdown like this, or have any question about local SEO or lead generation, Okay, so drop a comment below or directly inbox me. So okay, take care, bye.